3, 2, 1.
Corinne Schweitzer Shred CrossFit event 313.
We got a 20-inch box, jump rope, pull-up rig, 7-minute countdown clock.
Ready?
Yeah.
You know what I'm talking about, right? Yeah. Dude, the awesome football player. But they also play rough.
3, 2, 1.
Wait. 3. Go.
Now go. 1, 2, 3. 6. 10. 12. 15. 20.
Keep your hands in.
I go on the other team playing against my four. Good job, Corey. This way, looking that way. Four. Good job. It's like every now, it's like right here. 6. 1. 5. 3. Good job. Good work. 80. Try and get in the little groove like you were.
Come on, Cor.
4. 5. 100. Good job. Halfway there. 20. Good one.
Good job.
20.
String them together like that.
134.
Get it. Find the groove.
138. 142. Go 142. 51. 151. 164.
Almost there.
70. 179. Almost there. I can see that would be 94.
Bring it on.
5. 7. There you go. 200. Let's go.
When you got 3.5 minutes.
Doing good. Doing good. 30 box jumps. Here we go. 1. 2. 3. 4. 10. Good job.
Good job, Corey.
11. 50.
Keep going.
60. 17. 18. 19. 2 minutes left. 20.
One at a time, knock them out.
Yeah, good. 10 left here. She's done. Let's get this
Come on,
done.
core.
Here we go.
Big jump, land soft.
21. 22. 23. 24. 25. 5 left. 26.
Nice.
27.
Almost like you're trying to get
28. Good job for it. Very good. 2 left. 29. Last one.
One more, come on. Good job.
30. Good job. 1 minute left. Chalk up, get your breath.
Hips, hips, hips.
Come on now. Get this. Get chin above the bar. No waste. Fire the hips. Go. Almost. Almost. Right there.
You can do it.
Really bring those knees up high. Press the hips. Go. Close. Close. You're trying, kiddo. You're almost there.
Come on, 10 seconds. One good shot.
One big one.
Big one. Big kick. Go. Good try. Good job, Corey. Completed all 200 jump ropes and 30 box jumps.